Alright, this is going to be part 2 of the video I made showing repairing the cracks on this Poloron Santa down around the base. As you can see, I put tape on it, tried to pull it together, and then epoxied it. I did that in a couple of places. I did it in one place and I already took the tape off because it was cured. So I'm going to show you the results of this tap. For this, I just used packing tape. It seems to hold better than the painter's tape that I was using before. And it doesn't peel off too much of the paint. Luckily, since this is 50-something-year-old paint that's on here. So as you can see, the crack went up here, way over here, and then there was another crack, if I can find it, right along there. Came along the edge of the bag and then down and across. There's also some more cracks. Let me see if I can find where they were. Might have to look on the inside. There was one small crack right here that I've already epoxied. You see the inside of this one that I epoxied already on the inside also. Yeah, it's the one that goes up inside the bag. I'm going to just go back and make sure that I got the entire thing glued. What you want to do with the tape, when you have to put tape holding it together, you epoxy a spot on both sides of the tape, let it cure, and then you can take the tape off and do the part that was covered by the tape. You can see this part that I already glued on the inside. Looks pretty good. If you look real close, you can still see a crack, but nobody's going to be that close. If they are, they're stealing your blow mold. I've still got, nope, that's just a hair. This guy needs a little bit of cleaning on the inside, but overall he turned out pretty good. This is where the crack went. I think that was all of it, of that one. So he turned out pretty good. Now this early 70s Santa will live to ride again. Still looks pretty good considering he's 50 years old. One thing to note, if you have to glue or repair anything on the inside of this lip where it fits down onto the sleigh, just be careful about getting it too thick or it won't fit all the way down on there. And this, you can see this mounting tab where the screw goes through. The one on this side is broken off, so I will have to repair that somehow, or else display him inside. If he's inside, it won't really matter, but you wouldn't want to put him outside in the wind with just one screw holding him, because that'll put too much pressure on that other screw and it'll break it off. So anyway, if you like the video, click the like button, subscribe if you want to, and be notified of any other videos that I post. I'll be posting some about painting probably next week or the week after. We've got a few more bigger repairs. I've got some with some big holes that I'm going to have to repair. I'm going to try using thermoplastic pellets on one of them and see how it holds up. Anyway, thanks for watching.